we are doing the 106 minutes drawing challenge.
We are on episode number 48.
Yay.
We are almost on to episode number 50. It will be 50 days of fun drawing challenge. And I hope you have been enjoying it. Do not forget to be there till the end of the video. Hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below because first 5 comments will be some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Club.
And this is the second day we are doing the Sharpies.
Yes, we need a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors. That's all what we need for this drawing. And what are we going to draw today in episode number 48?
A happy heart.
A happy heart. Yes.
Let's
A
get
happy,
started.
healthy heart. Yeah. What is the shape of the heart? Do you know? It's like a mango. Let's start with the eyes.
Nice circular eyes.
Nice, beautiful eyes. Then the face. Yeah. And now the body of the heart, that would be in the shape of a mango. What's your favorite fruit, Parikshit?
Mango.
That is why we are drawing a mango here.
Now we'll draw the face.
No, wait. Yeah. The blood vessels. It's a difficult drawing.
Not too difficult. For me. Maybe for the others it's a little. Not much for me.
Are we done?
Almost.
Yes.
I'm done.
Let's quickly color it with the color of the heart, that is red color. And we are done. Are we done?
I'm not done.
Okay, by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below of what did you like in this drawing and what would you want us to draw next. And do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. This was episode number 48 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Very soon we will be reaching to episode number 50. And we wait for you. There are some exciting gifts, exciting goodies for the episode number 50. Whoever has been following us till the episode numbers till now, do share your drawings. Do share all the drawings of the episodes, click it up, share your drawings, and you can win some amazing goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Club once again. Wow, that's beautiful. Parikshit is being very, very, very creative with his drawing ideas. Okay, so see you in the next drawing. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.